Hi folks, I'm Joshua Finn from J&H Aerospace, and this is the Evo Fire. We don't even have it finished yet because there's a gaping hole here that will be filled with other things soon enough. But in the meantime, enjoy a couple flights from Tran Morisano's masterpiece.
Now it is.
Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.